So yeah guys, hello, good morning once again, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to take you to a place where it is located at Sinapati Falya Zugo jaga na ki deju we na get nam screen tali de do na nam do. So I'm going there today with my church youth la youth kan chola cha ji. So yeah, I'm not taking my pasandi today. Mula pasandi dulu jo de tadi half there video nana I'll be going along with them in the bus. So yeah, I'm excited to visit the place. What I saw in the video was so beautiful. Video de dikhelna bishi sundar ase. So yeah, we'll go in tai jana jani kina ase na. Abdi is the driver do naam kya hai? Chalo, anyway, we're getting ready once again. अब जा रहा है,
आज भी जा रहा है, हम लोग जाके नामाई ज़ो जा रहा है।
अब कैसे हो रहा है?
बहुत अच्छा हो रहा है, जाएगा अभी नामाई ज़ो।
तो किना लाइफ तो ना होता है हम लोग तो दिए। The love birds. Yo, how are you?
Fine.
Nah, go. Hello. Jangan lupa guys, kena. Good morning. Itu kita group aja ro. Tony tulis jola aja. Oh, nice.
Morning.
Good morning. Kena. Guys, to my channel. So guys, we're taking this taxi word jola aja. Din tu mah moza tu nan jinaza Julie. Think so jauh the sky is not that clear. Only devi ka time so. Devi 6:55. Mere to. Kena. Excited. So guys, we are in a petrol pump now. Kimana thela today? 1 lakh na. तो कैसे हैं आप लोग? आपका नाम? राहुल और आप मिला था? कोविन, मनीष, दीपक। दोनों सब एरिया पे समाने पेट्रोल पंप में काम कर रहे थे। So कोई मावरा माउ जान दे इधर ना. So this is just in the highway, okay? Highway there is a thick night. So this is how it is. Alright there. We are in Jakhama. Jakhama, there's a Pet Sipa hostel, I think, opposite there. Ground. Holy Hope Boys Hostel, I think, opposite there. Jab one Jakhama, there's a market, market there, thank you, Kidio. And then, I thought to be naked. But there were dollars to one day, Mananga, Mona group Alakagir Kido. To one is a taxi parking that is there. Are they NOC check greener? So in a Mola friend come by there. A photo and dim. Group gun. So, guys,
we're having a tea
put them there. Kazi. Oh, sir. I put on me. Oh, the Kaza market. Punjide Mon. I get the Mongolo, but nothing at the Doze, Gary. Isuzu. Don't stop restaurant here. But we are searching for our bus. So look at this Mao market. Chai Barat, Chai Jisan. Other than bus, we can see our bus. So this is a junction of market. Beautiful. After a long time coming to market. Market. Manipur. If you go straight, you will head towards Manipur, and my team the other group has game.
How much subscribers here?
Huh?
How much subscribers here?
Subscriber?
Subscriber.
It was say.
Please describe my channel now.
Yeah.
Please describe my channel.
What is that, bro? Ajila vlog to it's all about fun, guys. So mulai to vlog to mas serious no de. make sure that tuan comment aro comment de kun likhi tuan what is the use of this vlog YouTube na shik bada dan tigo sati do akila tension de ko how do you feel without NOC no itu deh
Nervousness today.
oh look agi jana maram de look bo we have reached welcome to NAAMAI ZHO Today one
Mom market the park lushe.
to jaga over sundar jagah guys ayo lagi jaga ni over sundar ji mula camera justify korna bo ekubi tapi ni jola sukruai na sogal lagi jaga na over bala do li do main jaga bi noi de do mon we have just crossed paddyfield cross mon de na tapi opor de hona ki main jaga do Holy welcome to give NAAMAI na NAAMAI ZHO likhina dekhiche so I think we have already reached Mudza
Excellent no.
I'm
just excited
so excited.
we have reached NAAMAI ZHO that is the thing NAAMAI ZHO biodiversity park so we are here nice nah channel to my guys welcome to my channel
Hello channel to my guys.
nah so we have reached Cosmos city Cosmos world this is Cosmos world NAAMAI ZHO there's a monitor over Mudza the jaga na and then ki go nichi devi ki wa yaje pani khidiya na nichi de over sundar wow kina sundar is nice parking area. From there we'll have fellowship and we'll do we'll play some games, have fun. Let's see what we can come up with. And we'll have fellowship also. Later we'll see where we can go and have our lunch together. Yeah. So 11:15. Remember the time, So guys, this is the cleanliness of this is the cleanliness. Guys, ina nugri jabi yaar. Man sundar jaga de na, man sundar jaga se de. Kima mi jitra na kya do. Bhal na de idu mi gushi na bhai. Hey. Hello. Mula channel di hi gidi na sa bani be. Thank you. Sundar jaga satya ki go na jina shimui. Switzerland di ha jina ki. I am in Switzerland. So inga. Vlogger's life is different. Manolo de hotai breda ilna vlogging power go na paro so muhi alag separate jise diba. I cannot express like with my words the beauty that down there, you know, the field that we can see from here. I'm like it's really beautiful down there, and the road condition, I should not say it's like tip top, but yeah, it's adjustable. The road is okay from here. I mean, like from Kohima till here is like on and off, but the view that we see from here is like ultimate, just ultimate. Oh my god, look at this, guys. This is the view that I was talking about. Oh my god, so nice. See, this is the beauty. This is it. There are lots of people today because of the holiday. So beautiful, so beautiful. Look at that river. Because right now the camera angle is in wide. The camera is in wide angle, and that is the reason that the river looks very far from this place, or else the river is quite near. So guys, we have a shop here. So this is the one. So this is NAAMAI ZHO Biodiversity Park, Government of Manipur. So yeah, guys. So we have a shop here. Andy, Kiki Baro.
Sunju.
Sunju is na. One valley. Kaodo ay nalo bijde. Kimana se Sunju ando? 50 Kiman go? 50 laga. Ekta dibi 50 la. Itu kita lihat aja Andy. Tanya na.
Pata.
Itu kila pata saya.
Raibu, amla kota raibu.
Raibu. Oh. Aru itu thali na.
Thali je.
Oh thali lije. Tanya bi aja. Tanya nai na.
Ale si do.
Oh tanya pata bi thali je. Oh. Motsa. Ithau de khole. Oh 50 la mo bisi bolbo. Itu guaro, muy guaro.
Mimi tu 10 taka 60 আছে
60 na. Oh, ঠিক আছে. Chu aro itu mimi. Itu milai itu 60 rupees as well, Satian. Friends, it's 60 rupees. So, we just say 50 rupees la, 60 rupees la. Wow, bishi is it? Oh, very bishi. Oh, nice. So we are guys and they are guys, and all together we are guys na. Wanda, lo आगे जाना किसे सो, आगे दे जैसे cosmos जैसे इधर तो explore. ना जगह तो सुंदर है जगह भी सुंदर है बोलिबिना सिली तरह जो जगह वाला मेंटेन करली बाला जो मना ना आइना if you come and check it out ना तो ये जने जो over लेटर है over मुइला जरो जगह दे माइका से जगह दे प्लास्टिक की कोई प्लास्टिक प्लेट करना डिस्पोजल प्लेट करना over भी है ये लॉजिंग kan भी है ना इधर क्या ले the lodging as they na resort kan as they na so you can come and stay overnight here also in as our pricing do na jani mo gina because it is valley tas na valley distance valley tas so I have to border na gurai na lage so it will be very long distance don't mo China pricing na do khutio na paro but I think you can check it out NAAMAI ZHO la check kuni pai jona ki resort kan bi tadi na online ni bi pai jo ina se aro mula camera right ko justify ko na paryo so do because wide angle as na tu thiki do udu paddyfield na bike price do lo do po holi adventure lover to gushi bo to as adventure lover na moja lago ina la jaga ita de jaga ina se especially off-roading lovers kan do ni tangane do jaga de go mo so off-roading gushi ba no highway de na bike line highway to as literal se everywhere बेसी मैला जे मनन सिविक सेंस ओला कुम दिया जे जगह दे डस्टबिन भी बनाना ले दुई यूज नुग्रिने की तान मनन इना जे तने सो या आई थिंक 11 का व्हाट्स द टाइम नो 11 18 उजी 15 दे लोग बोग से ना 11 15 तो इता तो जमा होले टाइम वाज मन and I think we're going to have some fellowship service kan takula nana do games kan kuma khiliwo nana mon part kan khana to diwa olai jo ina se oh by the way notun vlogger je down there aji mohla de tala naam dile do kinao
Jeff kinao
Jeff na
gmail to tale pause on mola channel
na ito do sundor de please single no way ite je so sal chido abo ti sa jole tola da be je mohla de
Hello.
tola bhai ki ko ekta message do abo hello
Hi.
what's your good name
Tinky.
Pinky
Tinky.
Yes. And which community?
Tangkul.
Tangkul na?
Yes.
Abni bhi naam kita isle bro. Villa brother is here with us. Bodybuilder na dikhe se dekho. Hine. How is life? Na I don't look sure but how is life? I'm good na. Mere do life kina ja. Vale na. Tu bisi bala joga. Hello lawyer. Kita game khilu la je na. Kitu game khilina I think itu jide khawne se mon itu jide khawne gi so yeah we're gonna enjoy the way mula vlog tayo na TV how is it to use the voice
Please follow his channel.
I'll just explain so guys I have found Tuzo
Hello, what's up guys? YouTube to my channel.
channel to guys aro as tai ko da sai me je mula friend je aro tala vlog kan doli mui wari bishi bakile tala na tala dikhe je the interesting part drone shot ase tala de drone shots na pa bola je so please go and check it out and quality na mui wari subscriber bishi aru mui wari follower the view tala bishi ase dane to mui taila da ki kewa kodili bi ko helping ho bari holibi mui description di rakhi ase kina holibi na clearly mula na dakha manon audience kan bi tala di chau bharo do idane mui I'm going to leave that in the description below okay you can please go and check it out it's keviricha okay
Thank you.
yeah come here baby you pass When was your first kiss? ना पेटी कुछ लोग आज तो दे मुला पेटी जाओ ना किला सब पे किना किना भावना बाजा खालो आंधी किना भावना किना से भात भात लगे ऐसे कोई ये नहीं सीधा तो ना सो so let's rock yeah सब लोग किसने नहीं लाए थे यहाँ ना जमा करने खरीदना ऑनलाइन ना खुशी खुशी लगते जाते लग जाते तो जे माना प्लेट तो वाह दो तो जे so guys तो जे खाई दियो तो खा भी दे लोग बहुत है ना tapai diwo tapai la time we are about to leave now chari na jao itu sundur jaga so we're going to leave this place pat khai lise satyan gi log pai che satyan nodi motor buche it was a quality time and look at this that valley so beautiful mane to sab chari na dia olai jao so yeah I think I'll end my vlog from here today for now. I'm going to my vlog to end good, and thank you so much for your support always into my channel. Thank you so much for your support always, and subscribe Granny, thank you, and share me good, like me good, and don't forget to go and check it out, Keviricha's video. Yeah, and from this I'll sign off. So this is your take off PongeneX, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Till then, take care. Do what you love, and bye bye and bye.